Whirlpool microwave model WMT55511KS repairs. Upgrade your current countertop microwave and trim kit to a purposefully designed built-in microwave with trim kit. The included standard trim kit comes with the parts you need to seamlessly integrate your new microwave and trim kit combo into your existing cabinets. Plus, thanks to a streamlined design, it looks great above your existing Whirlpool wall oven. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool microwave is not heating.